Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can change your background or wallpaper on home screen on iPhone. You just need to open the settings and then just need to scrolling down until you found wallpaper. Here just go tap it and it will really give you information about the current wallpaper that you use. So this is the current wallpaper that I use here. If you want to customize the wallpaper of the home screen, so you need to focus on the right side here, because the left side will be the wallpaper for the lock screen. You just need to go tap into the customize here. And there will be options. If you want to change the picture of the wallpaper, you can just go click into this photo. But if you only want to change the color, you can just go click into the gradient or go click into the color here. Go tap it and you just need to find the type of color that you want to change. You can also adjusting by tap into the color palette and find the best color that you want to have. And if you want to access more picture, go into the photo and then you just need to go click all and access. So that will be like access the photo library that you have, and then you just need to pick which photo that you want to use for your wallpaper, the new wallpaper. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. How to bring the pair back? So just need to go back and click this pair and you are done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.